So, I'm gonna make an omelette. So here go the condiments. Some capsicum, some onions, some ham. Yes. A little more ham. Yes. Perfect. That happens. And we press the omelette button. And here comes the oil. That's the process. Universal Robots, Denmark, on a Philips induction cooktop. Okay. Step 1, oil. Step 2, condiments. Wow. Lovely. Hey, wait, there's still some ham in there. Okay, alright. Step 2. Oh, it's got like the egg mixture right there. It's gonna fill up a ladle of the egg mixture. Put that right in. Okay. This is absolutely mind-blowing. A robotic arm that makes your omelettes and sunny side up right here at Studio M Hotel in Singapore. Cook, cook, cook. Simmer, simmer, simmer. Oh, no way. It's even got a spatula. Lovely. Lovely. It does take some human help to replenish the eggs, I think. But the cooking bit is done by the robot. I mean, in a country like India, you don't really need this because we have so many people to make stuff. But in Europe, in US, where there aren't as many people, I think this totally makes sense. Alright. Whoa, did you see that flip? That flip was perfect. And so is the temperature. Look at that nice golden brown. My God. That's it. I want one of these at home. It's too much work to get up in the morning and make breakfast. Plating time. No way. Thank you, robot. Oh my God. This is awesome. Yummy time.